Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and opening this video. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please make sure to hit that button, and subscribe is free. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of my upcoming videos. So on today's video, you guys, I'm gonna do a review and a demo on the new foundation that Benefit Cosmetics just released, you guys. So they sent out this cute glasses, which I feel like I'm really old for them, you know. Maybe my daughter will rock them, but here's all the foundations, you guys, that came in this little box, you guys. This just makes me happy. Doesn't it make you happy? It's so freaking cute. The packaging is adorable, you guys. So I'm gonna read a little bit about what it states and what it has to offer and all that good stuff. So on this little paper, it shows a lot of different shades, which it says, so they have 12 different shades, you guys, which that makes me really happy. The brands are stepping up their game and coming out with more shades, you guys. All the brands really need to do this. They need to step up their game. So let's see what it says. So it's $29 and it's available now and in stores. It evens out skin tone and blurs away imperfections. Light to medium buildable coverage. I like that. Neutral undertones offer flexibility to stretch across tones, and it's flashback free. Whoop whoop. That means you don't be looking like a ghost in the club, you know. I mean, I've seen some pictures of girls just like, what the girl, I wish I could do your makeup, you know. Holla at me if you're gonna go to the club, let me do your makeup. So I don't have any foundation on. All I have is my brows. Every time I only have my brows, I feel like a 3D image, you know, like everything's just popping out, but it's just my brows popping out. So here is some of the packaging. I got 4 shades, you guys, and as you see, they all look like different tones. So I'm gonna swatch them all for you guys. It says number 1 right there, and in the back it says Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation, number 1. Oh, it has SPF 15. Now we know. So when you open it, you get, oh, what does that say? To shake your foundation. Okay, you want to shake that. So let's read what this little thing says. Hello you. This light to medium coverage foundation evens out skin tone and blurs imperfections with soft focus optical blur spheres. It looks like skin and it feels like nothing. To use, shake well before use. Blend 1 drop onto clean, moisturized face. Repeat and build coverage. So 99% said it feels weightless, 98% said it feels breathable, 96% said it blurs imperfections, 95% said it gives a natural looking coverage. So here is how the packaging looks, you guys. This is the number 1, so I'm guessing number 1 looks like the shade. So twist it to open it, and this is how your foundation comes out. I'm not really too excited about that because I feel like you would not have control of your foundation, you know? So see what I mean? Like, you don't know how much foundation you're applying. So here's a shade number 1. And here is shade number 3. And here is shade number 3. Shade number 4. For the foundation, I'm going to be using the number 4, you guys. All right, so I'm thinking of applying this foundation with a brush and with a beauty blender. So now I'm gonna apply it again all over. I like to apply it on my face better than the blender. So I do not feel the foundation at all, and I love the way that it did cover. You see my dark circles? That looks so freaking natural looking. So now onto this side, I'm going to apply it with this brush, and this one is the one by Sonic Blend, the Michael Todd. I love this one because look at it. It has like different speeds, which is so cool. There you go, guys. I feel like I did 2 pumps. I don't even know how much foundation I added because on the pump, you know how much you're applying, but this one is just pouring. So that's the only thing I do not like. So it does everything that it states, you guys. It is breathable, it is buildable coverage. You guys see me how I did build the coverage up right there. It's really lightweight and it looks really natural looking, and it blurs the imperfections, you guys. So it's kind of like a, not matte, I would say. It's more like a little bit of sheen, just a little bit, so it's not matte looking, but it does look really natural.
It looks like I'm just here, you know, like, oh hi guys, I'm ready for a video today. No foundation on, just my brows.
Doesn't it look like that? It looks really good. So now I'm gonna test out if it's really flashback, so hold on. So I am back, you guys. I have full face on, and it's been a couple of hours from right now. I started at 11 and it's like around 2 o'clock, you guys, but it feels really lightweight. I haven't retouch or anything, you guys. This makeup look I will have up soon, you guys. As you guys can see, I will insert the pictures that it does not have any flashback, girl. No, it doesn't. So you can take those bomb Instagram pictures that girls take like in the night with the nice light that it doesn't flash. I really recommend this foundation. I think it's perfect for summer. It has SPF. It's really lightweight, you guys, and it's buildable coverage, and you cannot feel it. Yes, girl. Yes. So I will have another video for you guys this week. Please pray for me because I'm gonna try my best to have a steady schedule for you guys, because you guys deserve it. You guys deserve this from me. You guys have been subscribed to me for the longest, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. I hope you guys have a good one. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified of my upcoming videos, and remember, you can do whatever you want in life. Don't let no one dim your light. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.